What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to farm absolutely free airdrop. You don't have to spend any money, any penny, anything into it. The only thing you'll have to do, you'll have to complete some tasks, but it's a free. So this airdrop is by Imaginary Ones. Imaginary Ones is actually a very successful project. It's launched in the previous bull run or at the end of the bull run. They hold up very well and they keep coming out with the new stuff and building their own ecosystem. They came out with bubble tokens. So if we go to get bubble coins, this is their official Twitter account, and in here what we need to do, we need to just go to this website, or you can use my referral link in the description below, and then you'll be presented with this window right here. So right here, what you can do, you can just read their light paper if you're interested in it, or we're here just to farm airdrop. So what you need to do, you need to connect with X or with Twitter account, and then in here we need to sign in. Just complete the captcha. Right here, just press connect with X and then authorize the app. Okay, right here we also need to put our email and then check mark next to consent. Just paste your email here and then press on save. That's it, and then authorize one more time. Okay, once you get to the screen right here, you'll be able to start farming over here, and then on the top left corner there is a farming and a claim airdrop. This is coming soon. Once they're gonna get done with promoting farming and they're gonna start distributing token, that's where you're going to be able to claim your tokens. And then if we scroll down, so there's a couple options: referral, engagement, and then bonus. So two different ways that you can actually get points. It's either by having Imaginary Pass or having Imaginary Ones NFT or one of their bubble rider or something like that. Or in this video I want to show you free method without spending any money. In here you just have to engage with their Twitter, and then if we scroll down, as you can see, there are so many different tasks over here. So let's say, for example, if you're going to refer to a friend, you just press on go here and this link is going to appear. Share with somebody. If they use it, you will get 10,000 points. And then, like for example, follow Imaginary Ones on X. You press on go, this window is gonna appear right here. Just press on follow if you don't follow them already, and then go back here and then press on claim. Once you claim, you scroll up, then you're gonna be able to see your points and try to harvest as many points as you can. And I'm not sure exactly what their tokenomics is gonna be or their drop, but the more points you're gonna get, the bigger airdrop you're gonna be able to receive. And if you scroll down, as you can see, there's so many different very easy tasks to do. Just follow a lot of people on Twitter. This is most likely all of their co-founders, and then just add some stuff into your Twitter name, and by completing all the tasks you can get a lot of points. And I'll leave my referral link in the description below. And this is pretty much it. Good luck to everybody, and hopefully Imaginary One's gonna cook, and they've done previously very well, and we can make some money by farming airdrop. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.